OK, what does this do? And it was talking whilst we were in the break.
It's like having a little friend in the kitchen with you, because if you, like me, it's so easy to pop your eggs in the pan, you think you'll remember how long it will take, or you're always Googling how long for a soft-boiled, how long for a hard-boiled. All you do here is pop your eggs in.
Yes.
You could be doing 1 egg for lunch, 2 eggs if you wanted to, or the whole 6. And what it will do is perfectly cook them every single time. So we're looking at 8 minutes for a soft-boiled, 10 minutes for a medium-boiled, and 15 minutes for a hard-boiled. All you have to do is add a little bit of water to the bottom, which I'll...
Medium-boiled.
So we're at medium. So I'll take one out there to show you. I'm going to just pop that in some cold water. And I'll leave those to carry on cooking. But you can see all of that steam in there is now taking this to the next step, hard-boiled. And you've got a little indicator on the front. So if you have walked out the room and you want to check whereabouts it is, or you've missed the little voice, then you've got that indication there. But let's actually see, just to show you, the medium one. So I'm going to just knock
So this is medium. And look at all this. It just makes egg prep so much easier as well. We were saying beautiful egg sandwiches here, niçoise salads. Oh.
We just take
look at this.
Look at this. And then if I just pop...
Should we
go on, go for it. Go for a dip.
Now, Theo, do we have or Jill or Molly, would you like to... Hang on, look at this.
There it is. Yes. That's your perfect.
Did you see it?
Your medium-boiled egg. So
I'll bring you an egg over.
Every single time, if you find you don't quite get it right, or perhaps it's a little bit too solid, or you... So that's an interim little buzz. So what you have here is your soft-boiled at 8 minutes, then you hear that little and that's in between soft and medium. So if you know that you like it somewhere in the middle of that, bit Goldilocksy, you can stop it there. Then you've got 10 minutes, medium-boiled, or all the way up to 15. And again, this is now telling us it's on its way to being hard-boiled. So we'll take one out now just to show you the difference. But so many situations as well where you use eggs. Things like, obviously, if you're preparing sandwiches, it could be for beautiful salads.
Picnics as well, very busy out there.
Noodles. I mean, Theo was saying, really struggle to time for a family getting out, you know, 4, 5, 6 boiled eggs at once. This is the perfect way to do it. Yeah, pop that in there.
So, and I think what it is it takes another step out of your day away. So no more guessing. Look at this.
For breakfast, you could pop your eggs in the morning, walk away, carry on, finish doing your hair. So now we're on medium. Halfway to hard-boiled, this one.
So you can see I'm pressing the knife there. Look at that. Very busy out there for this one. £10 on that first payment to get it back. They're coming in. Come on in.
No, absolutely. So this was medium. This is in between medium and hard. This one was actually soft. And I've popped it into cold water, so hopefully it has stopped cooking.
And can I just ask, if you just want to do 2, can you just do 2?
You can just do, you could do 2 if you wanted to, 1 if you wanted to. So this was the soft-boiled egg, but that sat there for a couple of minutes.
Okay.
And that's still, if I just pop that in to show you, can you see?
Yeah.
Perfectly oozing, that runny kind of...
That just oozed out and made that.
That's how my dad
your in-between noise.
And I like it medium well.
So you're not boiling different water? What would you say, Theo?
Would they have like a timer so you could set it, put them in there, and then it will do it for you in the morning when you wake up?
Like a wake-up
but you could use it on a smart plug if you wanted to.
Use it on a smart
and do it on your phone.
This is clever.
But just to show you
I'm going to buy one.
In the front,
I think you should.
I'm going to buy one.
You've just got that little container in the front, so you fill that up with water twice, pop that in the bottom, pop your lid on, and off you go.
I really want this.
I really want it as well.
With the 5-star reviews, you hear a lot of people being converted, so it's a fun kitsch sort of style gadget, which then people find that they use again and again and again. Perfect egg times every time, use this 6 times. Oh, we've got to go to the next one. I'm so glad I bought this. As always, had trouble boiling eggs. Now we're